Beautiful people, welcome to my welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, I say now welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, so me una pardon this voice, my voice crack, me una pardon. But me una listen to wetin I want tell you now. I bring news come from Ghanaian news. All my Ghanaian brother and sister, me una call una president, me una call una politicians, me una come from you. We are on one Africa, okay? Yes, all the politicians, all the leaders, please, all the leaders of Ghana, come, please. All my daddies, all my mommy, me una come and talk to you now. Yes, the reason why I come here, this Naija Daughter TV. Yes, my channel name Naija Daughter TV. I dey bring everything news, nothing but the news. If you want to watch my family channel, yes, I bring this news come our table about this our handsome brother. I'll put the video. Now still watch the video by myself. This our handsome brother. When they do wonder, when they do in fact, he need a word. He need a word. I said me I say carry a come una table. You understand? Because this guy he finished work. Yes, this is our Ghanaian brother. He finished work. Imagine my mouth now for year more. Now wash and about myself. When I pardon my voice just crack, you know, because I do live stream for the other of my channel. This our brother, he need a word. Why I say he need a word? Some people, even their school, their working place, they under their nose. For them to wake up, go to school and teach, they hurt them. And this our brother, before he go get to his school, where they teach, he need to swim. My people, my African people, this kind of person, they're supposed to give her a word. They're supposed to recognize her for what they do. He say he get passion of teaching. He get passion for what they do. I beg our president, our Ghanaian president, our leader in Ghana, please, may una carry this our brother matter put for table. May una help her. If na can, I'll buy for her. There's other road there. I don't say the road not good. They say other road there, but he prefer to pass that road. But get it to the road now. A bike when they drive, he break down. Please, what do you think about that? Please, Mona, leave in the comment section below. All my Ghanaian people, please, Mona, help me to share this video so that this guy, our leader, need to help this guy. What I talk? Our leader need to help this guy. Okay, please, guys, Mona, pardon my voice, pardon the noise. If the noise they disturb now, I just break this matter for table because it's not easy for you to be swimming. They say other roads, I don't know. But if other road, not our government, please, may not try fix that road. May not try fix that road. That road needs to be fixed. For this, our looking the place, the school alone, when this our brother, they swim for, go they teach. He not still they. No be me talk. Me una about self looking whether that school they stand up for children to be school for that school. I beg our Ghanaian government. No, not still too well, okay? I said I will talk about school because at the other of my channel I'll put on about school in France, in Europe, how they arrange their school. You understand? Please, me not build school not be hot. That thing be like hot. It be like where they for they take fresh air. If rain they fall, breeze fit see they enter, they beat children. Our African leaders, we wanna try, we wanna do better. Okay.
The MA Primary School, the burden is even higher. He would have to traverse an incredibly long distance to be in school on time. But what happens when his means of transport is unavailable, like when his motorbike broke down one day? After a 9-kilometer ride offered him by a good Samaritan who was returning from hospital with his wife, he would have to swim across the river Dakar and then continue for 3 more kilometers. These challenges, coupled with poor infrastructure and lack of furniture and textbooks, makes this even more dire. Kwame's connection with rural schools began when he completed college in 2009. He has since moved from one school to another and admits teaching here is frustrating.
As a teacher in the rural area, You would have to wake up very early in the morning. Mostly when you are leaving, even your family, they are a bit nervous because along the way there is a river. And so they are even uncertain as to how you might even get back home after school.